Technology drives healthcare more than any other force. In order to stay flexible and modular in an ever-changing world, companies are focusing on innovative production solutions.
So we enable better availability of healthcare by providing high-quality assembly automation, liquid dispensing and quality assurance, solution for microgated components, and products for the medical device manufacturers. So we enable better availability of healthcare by providing high-quality automation, liquid dispensing and quality assurance, solution for microfabricated components and products for the medical device manufacturers.
Healthcare has changed dramatically with the development of point-of-care testing and diagnosis. Centralized laboratories are decreasing, and diagnostics is shifting to a more individual level, having a reducing effect on healthcare costs. At the same time, point-of-care testing hastens getting treatment. Point-of-care diagnostics has continued to evolve and expand its capabilities, becoming an indispensable necessity.
The point-of-care diagnostic is really an essential part of the modern healthcare industry and technologies, because the tests are carried out where the patients are, and you don't have to bring the patients where the tests are made. And patients get the results immediately. So I think it's very, very important that these technologies exist and are developing all the time. Now these point-of-care tests are not necessarily replacing, but complementing the clinical laboratory tests. And of course the quality has to be the same as in clinical labs. So it's extremely important that the result is correct, because the therapy is based on the diagnostic results. Still, even today, quite a lot of the diagnostic tests are manufactured using manual labor, manual assembly work, and it's really difficult to scale up the production there. But the robots do it much faster and more reliably than the humans can do.
Ginolis, a custom provider of innovative automation solutions for microassembly and precision liquid dispensing, offers an extensive range of solutions based on its modular automation platforms. To keep pace with the changing industry, Ginolis' automated production solutions can be easily modified to meet customer requirements.
Ginolis holds patents on liquid dispensing, precision robotics, and microfabrication. Ginolis was established in 2010 with the goal of revolutionizing the point-of-care diagnostics manufacturing industry. Traditionally, the medical device industry has a lot of manual assembly. We're bringing automation on a modular scale. So customers can invest at an earlier stage with a smaller unit and then add more cells as their production grows. We have probably the most innovative automation systems available on the market. The lateral flow device assembly system provides an innovative approach to automation for the rapid test market. We produce a flexible manufacturing capacity on a compact scale. We can assemble multiple devices on one system with very minimal changeover. Our piezo motor bellows pump can dispense fluids up to 100 drops per second, from drops as small as 1 nanoliter to 1,500 microliters with very tight tolerance. Most automation that you see nowadays are just performing a task over and over. There's no active thinking, there's no analyzing, and there's no quality inspection. Ginolis has vision-guided robots that are actually moving the parts and moving the robots to provide consistent production quality in an FDA-regulated industry. Our Pixie quality inspection solutions are based on confocal imaging technology, which enables device measurements to sub-micron levels. The Pixie inspection platform can analyze a wide range of materials, including various shapes and colors, as well as surface types such as glossy, matte, or transparent. So if one of our customers has a glossy, matte, or transparent surface on their product, the Pixie system can inspect and detect abnormalities in their product and reject if necessary.
And I think it's also very important to talk with our customers how to create the solution for them that is cost efficient for them and also brings a better quality for their product. So I think that's probably the best part of my work.
The global diagnostic industry has begun to transfer towards automated production and digitalized services. And Ginolis aims to be one of the leading global system suppliers to enable that shift. Our solutions are categorized by high quality, precision and modularity.
Ginolis, precision for well-being. For more info, visit ginolis.com.